first, I'm gonna apply some of my oil to make the hair be soft. We can do cool, we can do low, and we can do high. Okay, I'm gonna go on high and I'm not gonna separate my hair. I'm gonna do it as I normally do it for a normal day. Okay. It's 5 to 12. This is the only thing I'll separate. This was recommended by a friend of mine. I love this hair dryer. It's really light, but I like to hold it like this with 2 hands.